J-20225345-2. This is video number 2 being taken after doing some targeted rip cutting at a particular problematic footage at 51 feet. We're a little bit beyond 51 feet just to scope out this remaining section. The sewer lateral has multiple areas of concern, but all we're currently looking at is the 60 feet that was reamed with an expanding blade cutter. At 78, well, it's pushed out to 78 feet now, but at 78 feet we do have a segment of pipe. Looks to be like the radius of it looks like it's the wall of a piece of pipe, whether it's hard to tell whether it's clay or cast iron. It does move when we push it, and it has a radius. So it's sitting in the pipe currently there, obviously of concern for catching solids. We didn't do any. The farthest out we got again was 60, or we targeted currently was 60 feet with the root cutter. All these other root areas are going to be taken care of when a pipe repair is handled. The customer is comfortable with that approach at this time. We don't have water flowing currently, just so we can see the pipe a little bit better. We already know where our pooling water issues are. So this is when we have water running through this section. The water is a bit more elevated. Clearly, when we stop flow, there must be some cracks in the piping, allowing the water to slowly drain down into the surrounding ground. Here we have again another pooling area. Pooling is down far enough that we can better see off to the left hand side of the screen. This is an exterior Y connection underneath the outside rear patio. The branch of this Y is heading over to the bathroom that is in the southeast wing of the home. Home is kind of an L shape. And again, we have persistent pooling here. And then right here at 51 feet, we had a pretty substantial rip mass. We were able to thin that out pretty well. There is a thicker taproot at the top there that wants to remain. We hit this in forward and reverse rotation to try to thin it out and chop it back as much as possible. Now we're entering, at some point here, we enter into the home. .45-degree turn. Also, we have transition from cast iron back to clay in the home. Angling through the living room into the kitchen area at about a 45, somewhere between a 45 and a 22-degree angle. See, there's some sediment, little couple areas where the pipe seems to be a bit flat. Branching off now to directly over to the 2 bathrooms on the north wing, running through the length of the kitchen right now. Transition from clay back to cast iron. There's quite a few transitions back and forth. This particular position is underneath the wall that separates the bathroom areas from the hallway. Upper right corner of the screen is a Y rolled up, which is where the bathroom sink drain joins for the north bathroom that's westward. Going up the base of the stack, 4-inch cast iron. We have a 4-inch cast iron cross, both toilet connections visible there either side. Reducing to 3-inch cast iron. And there we again have our access panel opening in the wall, and a PVC cleanout tee has been added for this purpose.